Okay, hello all you bakers and cooks out there. I have you a new recipe I thought up the other day. It's called a Chihuahua Dog, and it's in between a taco, hard shell taco, and a hot dog. And what I have here is a spicy sausage. You could use Polish sausage, or you could just use a regular hot dog. And I'll show you how I put this together. I'll put this in the microwave. It's a couple of corn tortillas and my sausage, and I put it in here for 1 minute. Now I have some peanut oil heating up, and what I'm going to do is cook it in the peanut oil when this is done. I'm going to V this out and put cheese in it. The first one I did was without cheese. This one will be with cheese, but you could put jalapenos in it. You could put your favorite hot mustard in it, or anything else you can really think of. You know, it's up to your imagination. I'll show you how to V it out as soon as this is done. We got a few more seconds on it. I haven't tried it with a hot dog. I have done it with these Polish sausage, and they are spicy Polish sausage. The reason I'm microwaving the sausage too is to kind of give it a head start, because the oil, I'm just cooking the shell. So we're almost done. We're done here. Okay. Now I'm going to take this and cut along here and cut along here. Get my tortilla out of the way. Yeah, I took a piece out of there. It's pretty warm inside. You know, let's take a little. This is Tillamook sharp cheese. I think it's the best cheese, and I use only peanut oil because I think peanut oil has a better taste than any of the other oils. But that's my own preference. Okay, what we want to do is we want to tightly wrap this like this, and then take the other one and wrap it the other way. Oh, oops, little mistake here. I have it wrapped this way, and then tightly wrap it the other way. Take a toothpick and put it in there, and then put it in your hot oil. Now your oil is probably around 350. Don't think, throw this out, we can use it later. My oil should be a little warmer. I just turned the heat on. We'll take a couple of paper towels for our oil. Our tortilla fell apart. The first time it didn't fall apart, this time it did. We'll be alright. These sausages are a little big anyways. There we go, it's finally cooking. toothpick out. There we go. There she is. She's all done. Take this off the heat. And now you can take and shred some iceberg lettuce and put it underneath and put salsa on it, and it works out real well. Or if you like ketchup, whatever your condiments that you would like on this. But I hope you give it a try. I know my tortilla fell apart, but you get the general idea of how to make this. And it's really delicious. So see you next time. Thank you.